So Tawfiq, my question for you is, sometimes what happens is that there are people who want to do a class only solo. Like, why? Because they think if I'm in a group, maybe others will laugh at me. অন্যরা আমার ওপর হাসবে, তো আমি একাই করব। But I think doing a solo class is dangerous, or rather it is not so much beneficial, because you must be able to face these critiques and the ones who are trolling you. Because obviously the teacher won't make fun of you, and you'll be comfortable with the teacher, with the face. You should be comfortable with all faces, all people. And when someone laughs at you, which is very natural, you should be able to face that fear. Please elaborate on this.
Sure, ma'am. So the topic you said and elaborated already is absolutely correct, and I think that it shows that the person's arrogance, because when you don't accept the mistakes you do, if you don't accept, and also there are other people who are also new, and you can compare yourself as well. I don't tell that always compare to yourself every time, but you can see your progress as well when you are doing with somebody else as well.
Yes.
Because they are doing well, you started with them, they are also started with you, so you can see that how they are progressing, and also you can see that what progress you need to make in terms of the classes you have done. And I feel that doing solo is not the game, because ultimately it's a language, and you have to publicly we speak in our native languages, so we don't compare it just like others, that we will only talk solo. We can also publicly speak in our native languages. So I think communication is the part, and also English if you want to talk about it. So publicly you have to be able to do it, otherwise if you speak solo and only keep your mistakes to yourself, and also the improvement comes. So I feel the point, the solo is not the part, but you can, if you are not comfortable with, so first prepare yourself first at your home, because I think learning from your starting, the learning starts from your home. So you can first learn yourself that where I can be trolled or something, then prepare already and ready to accept that, then learn with others and take it like a fun. That's how I feel.
Correct. If you take a recap what he said, number one is, if you do it in a group, it gives you the opportunity for a healthy competition. একটা healthy competition থাকে, যেখানে আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমি কোন সিচুয়েশনে আছি, অন্যরা কীরকম বলছে, আমার কতটা প্রোগ্রেস হচ্ছে না হচ্ছে, which is very important. সেকেন্ড পয়েন্ট ও কি বললো, পাবলিক স্পিকিং। অবভিয়াসলি কথা তো আমি লোকজনের সাথেই বলবো না, তো সেখানে আমি লোকজনকেই ফেস না করি, তো ক্লাসে গ্রুপে করলে তো অলরেডি সেটা আমি তৈরি হচ্ছি, সেই ফোবিয়া থেকে বেরোবো। Because this is like a habit you are going to form, that you are doing it in a group, so you will be accustomed with this. তো এটা যখন আমার মানে পাবলিককে ফেস করতেই ভয়, তো সেটা তো গ্রুপে করলেই তো আমার তবেই দূর হবে, একা তো আমার এটা তো সলভ হবে না প্রবলেম। সো অ্যাবসলিউটলি এই দুটো মেজর পয়েন্ট বললো। আর একটা কি যেন বললে তুমি, লার্নিং ফ্রম হোম, এটা একটা বললো। অ্যাকচুয়ালি লার্নিং ফ্রম হোম, অফকোর্স সেলফ স্টাডি ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, বাট অ্যাট দ্য সেম টাইম ইটস লাইক, if someone is laughing at you, like what he's saying is, be prepared so that when you come in the class nobody laughs at you. But the point is, anybody can laugh at us, they can laugh at me also, because people who laugh, their tendency is like that. Okay, so the point is, you should not be scared, you should be able to face that. And what he said, that take it like with a sense of humor. Life মানে টেনশন, স্ট্রেস, কিছু হিউমিলিয়েশনসকে আমরা কিন্তু যদি মজার ছলে, হাসির ছলে নিই, ইট শোজ আওয়ার স্ট্রেংথ। কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে তো একদম মানে ইউ হ্যাভ টু টেক আ বিগ স্ট্যান্ড, ইউ হ্যাভ টু বি ভেরি বোল্ড অ্যান্ড টেক আ স্ট্যান্ড। কিন্তু এগুলো ছোটোখাটো ব্যাপার, কে একটু হাসলো, এটাতে মানে লাইফ ইজ সো ডিফিকাল্ট, দের আর সাচ বিগ টেনশনস, দিস ইজ লাইক আ মাইনিউট insect, so just do it like this, just give a stroke and just throw it out. Okay, keep these people's what do you call, humiliation or laughter under your shoes, এটাকে হেসে উড়িয়ে দেওয়াই বেস্ট, তাই না? Just laugh it out, take it with a pinch of salt.